So this video now is a review of the 4K 2001 A Space Odyssey. This is the sort of, well, we call it limited edition or special edition version, the hardback. Now this was a film I hadn't seen at all until I had bought this on HDRG, as it says there. Which surprises myself because I'm a huge film fan, and yet I hadn't seen this. I hadn't got around to seeing it. And after all the marketing about this, now Christopher Nolan had helped restore it and remaster it in 4K, I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. So I went for this one. This is the hardback special edition. There you go. That's the spine. The back, beautiful bit of artwork, or photo I should say, from one of the vital parts of the film. Now I won't say anything because it might spoil it for people who haven't seen this. But it's very beautiful. The 4K transfer is incredible. You wouldn't think it was filmed many years ago. It looks beautiful. So you get two things in. You get the DVD, or you get the disc, a little book. Let's start with the disc first of all. Oh, there you go. There we go. Same thing on the front. On the back, I'll leave it there so you can pause that. But 2001 is not concerned with thrilling us, but with inspiring our awe. That is true. It is one of the weirdest, strangest films I've seen. But just like Stanley Kubrick's The Shining, I am just mesmerised by it. I found myself just drawn in, especially by the visual effects, which are mind-blowing. They are mind-blowing. How some of the effects are done, I had no idea how they were done for their time before watching the documentary which explained how a lot of it was done. It's mind-blowing. The art, the artwork or the miniatures are just incredible. The cinematography, the lighting, everything. It really is an incredible film. It says that it's been restored and remixed to 5.1 and the original 1968 theatrical audio formatted for 5.1. When I first watched it for the first time, I thought, you know what, let's go old school. So I put on the original 1968 theatrical audio, and I just sort of added that special feeling to it when I first watched it. There's the special features, some commentary on there, documentary, behind the scenes. Now it does have Dolby Vision this, as well as a HDR. As it says there, you've got DTS HD Master Audio. It doesn't look like you get Dolby Atmos. It says Dolby Vision, but no Dolby Atmos. Let's open up this. Oh. There we go. Now, bear with me. There we go. So just a very plain disc. Special features. Very plain disc, the Blu-ray, and then that's the 4K disc there. So let's put that to one side. Let's get the book out. Here's the book that comes with it. That's very nice. What a book or postcards, I can't remember. I'm as surprised by what's in this box as you are currently, because I've forgotten what's in here. It's like a little envelope, you can see. So I just gently do that. There we go. Such a great image. So in this book, let's have a look what we've got in here. Stanley Kubrick at work. This all looks that majestic and artful and all at work. 25 FPS. There you go, just some lots of screenshots of the film with the monolith. It's a beautiful artwork, look at that. Beautiful artwork. Really amazing concept artwork. It's got that real sort of old school 70s feel, isn't it? I am being delicate. That sounds like I'm being rough, but I'm not. I am being delicate. Love their outfits. Well, the way they walk on the floor is just brilliant. Some sort of making of things there. So the cast, beautiful outfits. Look at that. Some more concept art there. Making it on set. Look at that. What a miniature. That's a great set as well. Wait, it spins round and round. A few more pictures there. Oh, the classic eye, or light bulb, we're going to call it. Basically an eye, isn't it? So yeah, that's a great scene, that. That is a brilliant scene. If you've seen the film, you know the scene I'm on about. And that's the bit of the film that I just lose my mind over. Whether that's the intention, I don't know, but my word, that made me go a bit crazy. Again, if you've not seen the film, you're in for something, you're in for a treat, I tell you. Prepare yourself, as well, I'll say. And does the ending spoil it or anything? Let's have a quick look. Not really. If I cover up that. Just in case you haven't seen it. That's the last scene under here, if you have seen the film. That's obviously a classic scene there, isn't it? Just a classic shot of the baby. There we go. Then back to the back of the page again. So that's that. So that's the review of the 4K Ultra HD 2001 A Space Odyssey.